Hello. So when developing modern front-end applications, waiting for backend APIs or trying to reproduce complex edge cases like rate limits or server crashes or timeouts can slow down the development. Meet the MockManager. This is a self-hosted API control panel paired with a native Manifest v3 Chrome extension. But before getting into more details, let's register an account. So this will be an account for test. The email does not matter because I'm not storing it, I'm not using it to send emails. This is just for login. The one-time invite key, you can just request a registration key via email and I will reply with an invite key. Now let's create an account. This is how the interface looks. So what this does is when a front-end application needs a change, like you have a login form and you want to log in, the backend has multiple ways of answering to that. It can be invalid account, it can be a server error, it can be a throttle, and much more. With this you can mock that response and get the front-end application to react as you have the test scenario without actually talking to the backend team or throttling yourself, for example. The first thing you have to do after you create an account is to download the extension. I already downloaded it. Let me show you how you install it. So the developer mode has to be on. You have to load and pack and select the folder after you download it. It will appear here. You can just also pin it. From the account you have to copy this API key to let the extension know that hey, this is me, so mock everything that I have from my account, not mess with other accounts. And I already prepared a scenario. Let me import one for the demo. I'm gonna be using this website as a demo. I will disable the mocks. Now here we have a corporate email, request access. There's not enough screen space. So this one is a real one. But we have here the mocked one that is 429. So this is a throttle. So I'm gonna add 6 seconds delay on it and I'm gonna turn it on. I already have here it says that okay, the extension got it. The extension sees the change. And if I click now request access, you see that it waits 6 seconds. There's a pop-up notification that okay, this was mocked, and we got the response from the front end that rate latex limit, because this is what we were testing. I can put no delay on it. I can show details. This is the headers and how the response body works. I can also edit. Let's do a server error. I'm not sure how it will respond. I never tested this. This is a demo website. I'm gonna update it. Okay, 401. Confirm access. This is how the mock response looks. You can delete all of them. You can save as a template if you want to save as a template some of them. The templates will appear here. You can apply or delete them like this. Let me delete all of them and actually apply from the templates. See? Let's see what this does. This is for app users verify. Now it's this one. See, this is the request URL that was mocked. The brain behind it is actually this extension. It talks with the Express server and when it creates rules on the fly. In the past, I used an extension called, I think, reroute was called, but that was very painful to use. You had to add just one rule. You had to edit it all the time. With this one, you don't have to do anything. You just have to use your API token for the account for the mock, and everything is sent directly from the server to it, and the extension will do the rerouting for you. You can also record calls. Like for example, let me delete all of this and go back here. Show overlay. There we also have an overlay for this. And I'm gonna start recording. Let's see all the buttons here. Are there any more buttons? Create. Oh no, this one not. And stop. After the recording is done, you will see all the recorded APIs here. There's not a filter for it, but you can take this one and import. And now we have it here. You can edit it, of course. This is a post with the endpoint of API app users login for the request.in. I can edit here. I can edit the body, the headers, drag this down, update mock, and this will be now 429. Let me also add a 3 seconds delay on it. Let's go back to our website. Request. And as you can see, it's mocked after 10 seconds. Let's put after 3 seconds. Sorry, let's put 15 seconds here. Should fail. I'm not sure. I never tested this website. Let's see. I mean, a rule of thumb is if a request takes more than 10 seconds, you fail it silently and show an error to the user. I'm not sure this one will actually work. Request failed, you see? Yep. So this one does have that. You can select all, save as scenario. This at this moment it's not working as intended. The idea here is to go to your website, record all the API calls, save them, and then run a scenario based on them. So this is the scenario. It has 8 steps because there are 8 here. The idea here, like I said, it's not working correctly right now, but the idea is in the future you press play, and it sends each request as a step. Each time you redo the first thing that you did while recording it. So just play. It should work in the future. Right now it doesn't. Let me delete this. Let me also delete all of this. You can add your own endpoint URL. Don't use HTTPS because it's put it automatic. You just add whatever URL you need. In this case, I'm gonna do the login one. So this is request ini, copy paste. Of course we already have it, and the endpoint is this one, the endpoint URL. So you put it here like this. You change the type, the method of the API call. If you need the transaction time, it's here, the status code of course, and just add mock, and that's it.